In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a partially reflective material. Here are the full nodes. The primary pattern creator is the noise texture on the left. Please experiment with other texture nodes as well. This is how the final material looks like. I've shown you how to create a cow pattern by using another method in the previous tutorial. I'm using Eevee with Bloom, by the way. Even though there is only one BSDF node, we can apply the glow to only one color here. We have two greater than math nodes. They're being used to polarities color, so their brightness and darkness are recognized. I'll show you how they work, by removing certain nodes from the final setup. If I'm not using the greater than node, then we won't get the distinctive pattern. It will just looks like a noised color ramp material. Notice the partial reflection is still working, because another set of nodes control that part. By adding greater than nodes after color ramp nodes, we can distinctively separate colors by their brightness values. Separate RGB node is being used to separate already divided colors into two, so we can apply the cool reflection just to one of two. It's connected to the roughness node to provide a lower value to trigger a reflection. This is what happens when we don't use the greater than node. We can apply the reflection to both colors by changing the threshold value as well. The first greater than node is connected to the emission, but that's only optional. I have noticed the reflection around the glowing regions provided an interesting look for the mesh. We can control the spots this way. The color was separated by greater than nodes, so we won't be able to add any other colors. Any nodes can be used under separate RGB. It will just create different patterns. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.